it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. When you see this video, comment, like, and share if you can. And check out tellystalkinchalk.ca for all my past crafts. And let me just get on here and check everything out. Make sure we're live and we're good to go. Let me see. Make sure my stuff's off. Okay, and there we go. So I got that shared out. So today we are going to be working on this little project here. We are going to be erasing it and getting it ready and prepped for a new design. We want to make sure that this is all cleaned off. So this is just distilled water that I usually use with my paste. And this is our board eraser. Honestly, if you need one, or if you don't got one, you need one, so get one. These things are perfect. Look how much it's taken off. This is on here pretty good. It's been on here for a long time. So I have to let it kind of soak for a second to get the chalk all wet. But it comes off so good. So, you know how you decorate for every season and you never want to have to go out all the time and get new pieces. This is the best way to be able to decorate your space with multiple designs using one specific piece. Because the ink and the chalk and stuff is pretty reasonably priced, but some of the stuff that you can find in stores is not always the cheapest. So if you can use it multiple times, why not? So I'm using this board eraser. I am going over it quite a bit because it has been sitting on here for a long time. If you're on with me, say hello. If you're catching the replay, hashtag replay. Again, you can catch my lives also on YouTube, and you can see all my other finished projects on Instagram. So check all of that out as well. And I do have some paper towel here too, just to help. Hey Michelle, how are you? So, now that I use that so much, I'm just showing you how to clean off your board. Wow, for a second there I had 5 people watching all at once. That was cool. Lasted about 3 seconds I think, but hey Caroline! Who else is on with me? Is it because Paul's on with me? No? Well, then I don't know who the third is yet. That's somebody watching in the background. So there you go. We have it all cleaned off. See? Just wiping it all off. Then I'll have to wipe off all the little bits of cleaner, or not cleaner, paper towel. But there you go. That's how easy it is to clean a surface. I will be live again tomorrow for a actual craft. We'll be crafting on here, but I know I haven't done a how-to in a long time, and the one I did I had to erase. So there is that. I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.